Hey guys, so yeah, we're back again. Been a busy little bee with these guys. Definitely giving me a run for your tax dollars. So anyways, yeah. Remember when we had this file, the case? Let me download it again. Real time, folks. Remember that? Mr. David Kaplan. So yeah. Anyways, now you'll be able to find this case that I told you about with Detroit Edison, and you know, you can follow along. Like I said, this is real-time stuff. I'm not gonna edit any of my videos. Why this is very interesting is because now they got Mr. Martin Doctoroff on there instead of Scott Moore. And if you remember, I did the triangulation of David Kaplan, Scott Moore, Peter Schneiderman, Lawrence Pepper. You know, I did that because I know they're all together. But oh, I already searched for it, but I just, let's see, we're gonna do it new. Close that out. Yeah, this is a dead judge. He died back in 2002. I'll show you his obituary. But first, let's go real time and pull up that case. I'm going to show you what fraud looks like and why you definitely cannot trust the records in Michigan. Absolutely not. So, if you pop me up, all you'll find is the child support. Let's go back. Now, let's look for this under the lawyer, who was Richard Ruby. I don't know why anyone would think I would forget that. The guy's name is Ruby and Ruby. Very easy forever to remember. So now you can scroll and find the case. And this will be it. And you'll see Martin's name, even though it's Scott Moore. So, and like I said, you guys can do this yourself. And I'm doing this video real time in case it changes again, obviously. But we already see Mr. Martin Doctoroff's name has been used. And that's another fraud. I mean, it's relentless. Like I said, they've definitely given a run for the money. Your tax dollars are paying for this. Let's see. You know, if we look up my father's name, let's see what the case comes up as. That we'll be able to see something. Ah, there we go. Now all of these are, you know, God knows who, but I don't know why we don't have Sala here v. Detroit Edison, but okay, more fraud. This is interesting because they probably have some fraud going on here to hide somebody. Wonder what that is. Muhammad Abdullah Sala. Guy doesn't have anything to do with us. So let's go back. So yeah, now we could find the same thing. And like I said, this guy is dead 2002. There's his obituary. I had to search for him because when I went to the Massachusetts, I saw this when I ran a search for him, and of course I had to learn about him. So I went to the Massachusetts Bar Association attorney lookup and found out he was deceased. And then I had to run more searches to figure out who is this guy. And that's how I learned, he got an award. He was a member of the Attorney Discipline Board. Found this article about him. And the guy can't even rest in death, I tell you. Like I said, the high level of fraud with these guys is your tax dollars. So, anyways, yeah, this is another article I found about him. Also here. That was an Ann Arbor News thing that mentioned him. But like I said, I want to pretend this guy's alive. And, what's interesting again is, see this phone number? 313-358-0613. That is 248-358-0613. Now, you can run a search through Spokono and find out who the telephone number belongs to. Because I went through Yahoo and on the internet, and I was trying to find out where this phone number belonged, and I couldn't find anything. So I used Spokono, and I punched in the 248 number, and it belongs to this person. And then we can pop in, oops, let's do it right. Yeah, you can see some searches. Spokono is very good to have, I tell you. I had to get it to figure out what is going on. I'll be making more videos for you. Now you can see this is another one. She's a little interesting, but I don't know her. And I don't know that other person. But anyways, yeah. Like I said, some high-level fraud going on, man. And these are your tax dollars that are paying, government workers and court workers to ensure the record is correct. And these guys have done everything to just jack it up, put their fraud out there. And you can't trust the records in Michigan. Absolutely not. Not with these guys running around. So, thank you for watching. I'm definitely going to be making more videos because I got a lot more crazy stuff that these guys have done on your tax dollar dime. So, until next time, take care. God bless.